Hello everyone, this guide is going to show you how to extract audio and sprites from your visual novel game that you have downloaded. Once you have downloaded RPA Extract, we shall begin. Once you have extracted RPA Extract, copy it, go into your visual novel game, go into the game folder, create a new folder. Okay, so find this images.rpa, or it might be data.rpa depending on who made the visual novel. Drag and drop this into the new folder, go into it, paste the RPA extract here, drag and drop the images.rpa onto the RPA extract.exe. This will load a CMD prompt and will start extracting your sprites and other visual novel data. Once this is done, you will have new folders for your data that you have dumped. Please give this a few minutes until it has completed. The command prompt will close on its own. As you can see here in images, let's go to backgrounds, view larger. Voila! There you go. That's just how you extract all your visual audio, scripts, and so on. If you have any questions, please message me or comment below. Bye bye!